Hey, Jake.
Jake, are you under there?
I've seen Jake.
Has anyone seen Jake? He's taking a dump.
I think, no.
He's my friend. He's taking a dump inside.
Different. They have different needs, different budgets. Want to do different things with them, etc. We got the guys that want to just, hey, I want it nice, I want it clean, I want to drive church on Sunday type kind of guy. And then we have the aggressive, hardcore wheeling guy. And then we have the more like prepper type guy. You know, so they're all over. I've never met two customers that are the same.
This thing's sick, bro. Hey, holy crap! Look at these tires. He could run 50-inch tires, but 47s are more popular. What is up, Lambros? It's SteveCurrington.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Lambros Steve. I'm with Lambrini Emma, the original Lambrini, and we are in Houston. We're actually in Montgomery, Texas. We're making a little visit to some guys that I met, a place called Mod Mafia. Now, I don't know if you've heard of Mod Mafia. I'll put a link in the description and somewhere in here to their like Instagram and stuff, but they do crazy mods on H1 Hummers and a bunch of other stuff. I mean, that's really what we're going to find out. We just picked up the Urus. We've been driving, we've been testing out the different driving modes. The new exhaust and the tune is sickening, but we're only 4 minutes from Mod Mafia, so thought we'd throw on some cameras and we'll be there in just a minute. We're gonna talk to guys that run that place, see what it's all about, so stay tuned. Okay, we made it. We're at Mod Mafia, and you can tell by all of the Hummers because there's a lot of them. There's a Hummer, a Hummer, a Hummer, a Hummer, a Hummer, 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 Hummer. We haven't even gone inside yet. I mean, if you want to get a Hummer, this is where you come. And I'm talking about the H1. Jesus, man. This is like, I guess this would be like the place that anyone would ever come to have their Hummer worked on.
It's the only place I go.
That's the only place you go. Yeah.
Better be the only place you go.
You said how many do you have in here at any given time?
Usually 25 to 30.
And what do you do to these things? What do people have done to them?
It depends. Every customer is different. They have different needs, different budgets. Want to do different things with them, etc. We got the guys that want to just, hey, I want it nice, I want it clean, I want to drive church on Sunday type kind of guy. And then we have the aggressive, hardcore wheeling guy. And then we have the more like prepper type guy. You know, so they're all over. I've never met two customers that are the same. Yeah. Put it that way.
Emma, what would you be, the prepper or the off-roader?
Off-roader.
Oh, dude, I don't know if I'd be the prepper. I don't know. I think I would just take it off-roading. Yeah. Spend a whole bunch of money to get it dirty. Cool, we're gonna go check out the inside. We'll be back. This thing's sick, bro. Oh my God, what is on top of that?
Oh, it's just the seats.
Oh, you moved the seats up top. Yeah, I'm like, holy crap, look at these tires. Emma, come stand next to this tire. So I get a band. How tall are you?
5'6", on a good day.
So the tires are like 4 feet tall, roughly. Dude, this is awesome.
The 47. Yeah.
Look at that. All orange, like Oklahoma State.
Yes, it's got a 10-inch lift, J-Pound 10-inch lift, 3-inch body weight.
Wow.
So he could run almost 50-inch tires pretty easy, but 47s are more popular.
He could run 50-inch tires, but 47s are more popular. Jeez, man. Wow. How many guys you guys have here?
13.
And this is your parts area?
Yeah. Show you some of the parts stuff too.
Okay, cool.
Hey, Jake.
Jake, are you under there?
I've seen Jake.
Has anyone seen Jake? He's taking a dump.
I think, no.
He's my friend. He's taking a dump inside. Okay, guys, we're with Mark, and we're underneath the Hummer. He's going to just tell us what they're doing to it.
All right, this customer came from Idaho. His name is Sean. So we're going through doing control arms. We're going through the hubs, changing it to 12K half shafts. I don't believe on this one we're building the diffs, but up here the differentials, they're independent front and rear. Do some cleaning up of stuff, lots of changing of all the joints, etc. Right here, what's real interesting, Steve, if you want to stand back there, Hummer, the entire drive line is at an angle. It's similar to like a Murcielago, right? For your crowd base. The drive shaft goes this way and then hooks and goes right into the diff. And the diff's not centered, but that's why it's tighter on the passenger side than it is on the driver's side.
So it just slanted
at an angle,
toward
right
the angle, yeah.
And that's why there's a lot more driver room than there is passenger room.
Wow.
You can see how
who'd have thought?
So this is inside the transmission, so we had to take off the pan. We're changing filters and other stuff. It's part of the normal C service. It should happen every year. Then we're doing the same thing to the back. The rear diff's right here. Got it all blown apart.
Wow. Dang.
So gotta get it ready for the trails.
Nice. Gonna get it all cleaned up and looking pretty so you can throw it in the mud some more. Sounds like a plan.
Like washing a race car before a race.
Right, nice. Okay guys, we just did, well you saw we went under a Hummer. These guys make their own parts here. They fabricate metal parts for cars. I can barely start my Huracan or my Urus without messing it up every time. So I don't know how these guys do this, but check out modmafia.com. If you're into Hummers, I mean, I don't know someone who doesn't think Hummers are the coolest ever, but these guys have some serious ones here. So check out modmafia.com, and I'll throw their Instagram and stuff in the description. And thanks for watching. Tell me what you think in the comments about H1s and Hummers, and what do you want to do to your Hummer. We'll see you in the next video. Later.